Welcome to the Love Hub channel, where we discuss matters of the heart and give relationship advice to women. If this video will resonate with you, feel free to like, share, and subscribe to the Love Hub channel. In today's episode, we are going to talk about the signs that you are more attractive than you think. And remember, the Love Hub is a judgment-free zone. We don't judge women here. We are your safe space. So let's get to the signs. Sign 1. People rarely compliment you. I know that sounds the completely opposite thing to do when people find somebody attractive. But it is one of the signs that show that you are more attractive than you think. People don't often say you are beautiful because you just simply are. The reason why people don't need to compliment you and remind you how beautiful you are is because it's a simple fact of life. It's like pointing to the sky and saying, "Hey, the sky is blue. The grass is green. You are beautiful." It's just how it is. And people may also feel that they don't need to compliment you because 1, you already know that you're beautiful anyway, and 2, people are probably complimenting you all day, every day, and you're tired of it. So just because they don't speak out about how pretty you look today doesn't mean that they can't appreciate your physical traits. Sign 2. When you do finally get a compliment, it sounds apathetic. "Oh yeah, you're beautiful. You're pretty. You look good." I know, it sounds like they're just being respectful or they're just saying it because they have to, like there's not a lot of emotion in there, but just think about it. It's hard to get compliments these days because people are so closed up and they're so shy. So when a person is complimenting you right to your face, telling you how beautiful you are, just accept the compliment and be thankful that someone appreciates your beauty. Don't expect people to write lines and lines of poetry just to let you know that they appreciate your physical traits. As long as they're not sounding sarcastic or rude, just take the compliment for what it is. They're saying that you are beautiful, and deep down in your heart, you know that you are, so just say, "Thank you." Sign 3. Strangers often try to make eye contact with you. A long look directly into your eyes conveys strong emotions and means that this is an obvious attempt to establish contact with you. Another sign would be a short glance in your direction, ending with a slight smile. This is a friendly signal. You are more attractive than you think when strangers often try to make eye contact with you. They are trying to establish a connection with you in the short time that the two of you are occupying the same space. Sign 4. People raise their eyebrows when looking at you. This is a very subtle sign, and people may not even know that they do it. It's an automatic reaction from our human bodies. It almost feels instinctual. When our eyes see an attractive person, it just happens. You might not notice it, but try to watch yourself carefully next time when you see someone that you think is attractive. So, if you see someone raising their eyebrows at you, don't take it negatively. Take it as a compliment. Maybe they just really find you attractive and they couldn't help themselves. Sign 5. People's eyes follow you wherever you go. I know, it sounds creepy, especially when you're walking down the street and you're by yourself and you've got guys just looking at you as you walk away. Always be safe. But this is another sign that people find you really attractive. There is something about you that is so magnetic and alluring that people can't help but stare and watch you as you walk away and leave them behind. Sign 6. People don't try to keep their distance from you. Instead, they try to get closer. You are more attractive than you think when people don't even try to keep their distance from you. People who are allured by your beauty will be drawn to you like a magnet. Sign 7. People get surprised when they find out that you have a more complex personality and that there are layers underneath that beautiful exterior. If people around you get extremely surprised when they hear about your low self-esteem, it means that they couldn't believe that this beautiful woman is having problems with her self-confidence. It's an utter shock to them. People think that you are attractive more than you think. They think that everything is perfect at your end because you look confident enough. I'm sure you've seen that celebrity interview or two, where a beautiful, fascinating, successful celebrity is confessing to the interviewer about how inadequate they feel, how they feel they're not good enough, they're not attractive enough. That's a real thing. Even if you're beautiful outside, there are many things that can contribute to you feeling so inadequate inside. So don't get surprised when you find out that people are shocked that you have low self-esteem issues. It's just not something that they expect from a beautiful, attractive woman. Sign 8. People are often either too polite or extremely unfriendly towards you. One of the signs that you are more attractive than you think is when people act either way too politely or extremely rudely towards you. There are people that tend to show only the extreme sides of their personality. When we are attracted to someone, it is normal for us to want to make them feel comfortable, to want to make them feel cared for. But if a person has an extreme side to his personality, they might go over the top when they are trying to make you feel good. And so it might come off as really strange. On the other hand, there are people who might make you feel really, really uncomfortable, who are extremely unfriendly towards you. Just think about back in childhood when you were playing with an 8-year-old boy who had a crush on you. Instead of playing with you, he would just push you away with rude comments or tease you until you cried. So these are just some of the signs that show that you are more attractive than you may think. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe to the Love Hub channel. We will always be here for you. Until next time.